Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. Today, it's crazy. ChatGPT just dropped image generation and I'm not gonna lie, it's terrifyingly good. You describe it, it creates it. That's it. But here's the thing, most people don't know what to do with it. So in this video, I'm showing you 5 high impact ways to use it, whether you're a creator, a dev, or just a meme goblin. Here's an example of what I did with it. It's basically an advertising for Indie Crush. It's crazy good. Like, I just prompted ChatGPT for ideas about ads that can relate to my app, which is Indie Crush. And it came up with very nice ideas, actually. And I asked it to generate the ad. And as you can see, the text is much better than the first version. Like, you can actually see all the words. It's not like some type of hieroglyph we were used to. So my app, actually, Indie Crush, is about connecting devs and testers, and as you can see, it's dope. I'm scared for all the people that are doing modeling and creators, because now with this AI everybody can do it. I really think ad agency are going to cry so much. So let's start with this marketing. You can actually generate fake ads in seconds, and you don't even have to think about it. You ask ChatGPT for the prompt and you ask ChatGPT again for the image creation. Like this, you have the ID and you have the creation. This is awesome, guys. This is revolutionary. Alright guys, let's jump on to a new test. It's the creation of a prototype app. So the thing is, like, we're gonna prompt it. The prompt is going to be a minimalist mobile app UI for a to-do list with dark theme and glowing buttons. Alright, it's creating the image. As you can see, the text is really clear. We love that. A to-do list, buy grocery, call plumber. We have the glowing button. Let's do something else. Now that we have the ID or the design of our app, I want to make a mock-up about it in a real iPhone 16 Pro Max in order to display that on my website. Okay, this is insane, guys. Everything is so well done, except that there is 2 Wi-Fi bars. That I don't understand, but on the side it's pretty amazing. Imagine, like, all the devs and indie hackers that create apps, they can now do their marketing on their own. This is really like the next level of selling things. Now you have to convince the user to use it, but that's another story. Alright, let's jump on the next one. Alright, for this next one, we are going to build a brand completely with AI. We want a logo for a minimalist coffee brand named Drip, with clean, bold vibes. Okay, looks more like an app than anything else. Doesn't look like a coffee shop. Okay, so I asked it to design the landing page of the website to have like a kind of a Californian motor vibe. So it's designing the website, and then we will kind of like design like when you buy coffee beans. I want the coffee beans powders to look like this. Yo, the website looks nice. Drip. Feel you're right. Let's try something else. So now I ask him to create the packaging based on an existing packaging. So let's see what I can do about that, because this is like 2 different information. Let's see if he can handle both. Okay, so he didn't understand it well, but let's say that I wanna change this. I wanna make like erase that and make like I want coffee beans with workers. Yo, it starts to be great, no? It looks dope. I mean, it's something that we never seen before. I like this. I like the style. I don't know why it changed the logo though. It got crazy, but it's pretty dope. So basically, you can do everything. You can create a brand, you can create the packaging, you can create the landing page. Bro, it's revolutionary. Like, man, this is so great. I'm so happy to live right now and create so much with this. And I think the Sam Altman that created OpenAI said that we are not ready for V2 of image generation. So man, that's crazy. Alright, so let's jump on to the next one. Alright, for this next one, we are going to generate memes. That's for my meme lovers. It's the best inversion of the internet. Let's do some memes about Indie Crush. Indie Crush is the app that I created to connect developers and testers, and I want to create some memes to promote it, to have another marketing angle. So let's try it. So I asked him if he knows what is Indie Crush. Now I'm going to ask him to generate like 3 meme stories, and then we will move on to generate the marketing content. The first, the ghost tester, the startup love story, pretty dope, and the dev refused to launch. Actually, the dev refused to launch was kind of like the same type of content I showed you earlier. Let's generate the first one to see what I can do. Yo, it's nice. It's nice. I really like it. So you see, a real meme, pretty great for marketing. Let's say we want to level up because I want to add my logo into it, you know? So I just send the logo, and like this, it will update the meme. As you can see, it incorporated my logo right there. It's pretty dope, huh? You just need some adjustment right there, but anyway, right now you can create meme. So look, this is one meme that I created. It's pretty dope, huh? Pretty nice. Created this one too. I think for marketing this is awesome. And then you can create other things, like you can create like realistic image too. Even this one. This is really a game changer for apps advertising. You can even use like famous movie. So that's it for the memes. Let's go to the final and the most craziest part. Okay, the last part and the most craziest for me is that there's a lot of people that are doing crazy thumbnails and crazy, like you can pay for thumbnails, like it's a real business. But now with GPT-4o, it's done. They are all done. They are all bankrupt. So let's say I have a thumbnail that I really like, and I will upload it and say that I want to change a couple of things. So I uploaded an old template that I created for an old video, Crocs 3, and I asked him to generate the thumbnails with the same ambience and the same person. So actually he's asking me some info to create it. So do you want a cyberpunk style room, dreamscape, something more photorealistic? Alright, pretty fun, but that's a great thumbnail, I guess. It doesn't look like me though, but this is what I mean. It's like you can create crazy thumbnails now with anything, and it kind of look natural if you add like more details. It can be pretty powerful. Yeah, for example, this is another example. I created this template for Flash Review. That's another app that I created, and I asked him like, use this and make it for the landing page, for my landing page. This is actually the landing page of Indie Crush. And so he created this, which is really impressive. Like seriously, it looks like real, much better than the other one. So I did it couple of times because it doesn't get it like right away, but you see the vibe, it's pretty crazy. So this isn't just fun, it's like really powerful. You type something and it creates it for you. If you want a part 2 where I try to create an entire business and brand, creating the logo, the name, the landing page, the product, and all the marketing about it, drop a comment and hit the subscribe button, because honestly we are just getting started. Let AI cook and just focus on crazy ideas. Bye bye guys.
Come on, you got $20 bill.